Okay, so this now here, since we're done with the first three, now let's go trying to solve out for the letter D down here. For the letter D, is we have, you can see out here D, it is U with squared plus 3U minus 28 is equals to 0 then. Now, here, if you can see out, we're going to factor out the quadratic equation and find the two numbers that multiplies to negative 28 and add to 3. So these are 7 and 4. So let's do one here. To the factor for that one, we have u plus 7 and u minus 4 then. So that is equals to 0 down here. So other than here, just like the previous one, we able to get out for the being set out here for the factor to 0. So that's going to be out for the numbers down here as u plus 7 equals to 0. And next one is u minus 4 equals to 0 then. So that's going to give us with u is equals to negative 7. And the other would be u is equals to positive 4 then. So that is how we able to solve and get out for the answer for this one step.